So recently, I spent New Year's with friends in the desert, but had to drive back to California because I'm having a package delivered. I got some solar panels for my new VENMO power stations, and I've been working my little butt off making 2 crochet tutorials. I have my signature shawl tutorial. It's ready to go. It's finished. A lot of you have been asking about that, so it's finally up on my website. And I also made this really cozy crop top with a hoodie. So if you're looking for patterns for either of those, they are ready to go. There's a link down in the description and down in the comments. For those of you who are not interested in my crochet, I appreciate you putting up with me shouting it out all the time because I worked really hard on it, and it's how I'm able to make enough money to travel and get gas and food and basically stay alive. So I appreciate all the love and support. So happy to share these 2 patterns with you. They're a couple of my favorites. But I'm back in the Palm Springs area. I was here last year around this time, and it's really pretty, and there was a hike I did that I've been really wanting to come back to. So I've been crocheting so much and editing so much, I needed to go out for a little walk. I miss doing my Java walks. I used to do them every morning. I love this little koi pond in La Quinta, California, and then I went into Starbucks, and this guy who works there made this really cool drawing of koi fish, so just wanted to shout him out. And now I'm all caught up on work, and I need to get out and move my body. Good morning, my lovely friends. Long time no see. I'm at a really beautiful spot today. Let me show you. I've been hanging out in Palm Springs, and today we're at Indian Canyons. I'm gonna go on a palm tree hike. I did this hike last year around the same time, and it is so beautiful. I had to come back while I'm in town. I've just been charging my power stations. It's a little tricky this time of year to stay up and running. Like, my main complaint every day is just that my power stations die because there's not enough sunlight during the day. It's not high enough in the sky, and then the sun goes down at like, what, 4? Right now it's 12:30, almost 1. Ready for some adventures. I'm just sitting on my ass. I've gained 10 pounds in 3 weeks, no joke. Not that there's anything wrong with gaining weight, but when I gain weight, it's usually because I'm doing very unhealthy stuff to my body, like eating lots of sugary foods and sitting down a lot and not moving my body. So I'm gonna get in 20,000 steps today. It's one of my goals. Got my Fitbit charged up. I ate some hard-boiled eggs this morning. I know, it's so exciting. So exciting. I want to eat donuts this morning. There's this TikTok that went around, and it was really good. It was just about eating healthy and not depriving yourself. Like, you need carbs for energy, you need protein to build muscle, etc. Eat sugar for your mental health. But I've had addictions to sugar, so I just need to stay away from it. I'm like an alcoholic. Like, I just need to never partake in sugar, because once I do, I cannot stop eating it. I crave it like crazy, and I just want it all the time, and then I eat it all the time, and then I feel like shh. Going to get in 20,000 steps today. Gonna pack up my solar panels, drive down the road, park a little closer, and let's go see some palm trees. All right, we're parked a little bit closer. I have a rock in my sandal. Yes, I'm hiking in sandals. It's not like a hike, it's a walk. I am selling all the rest of my beanies, and then I'm gonna take a break with crochet orders and just do crochet tutorials and sell those. Who knew? Starting a crochet business, traveling in something the size of a walk-in closet is not a great idea. That's enough about my crochet business. Let's go on a lovely palm tree hike. The nice thing about coming back to the same places is I know where to park. Like, I know there's parking right here and not parking that way. It's a very itty-bitty entrance. Kind of nice to just pull in and know what I'm doing. Plus, they have a rockin' gem shop at the top, so I mean, hello. Gotta love that. Oh God, I'm feeling so out of shape. I already have 2,000 steps today just from my morning Java walk. So I'm just gonna walk 9,000 steps down and then 9,000 steps back, and we will have reached our 20,000 steps. The only thing about parking back there is it's quite a walk to the top. Ooh, wildlife crossing. They knew I was coming. I wonder what kind of wildlife they have. I know they have lizards and snakes and such. I've seen them with my eyes. I love winter in Palm Springs. It's so pretty. It gets really hot here. Winter time is perfect. I wish there was a little more sunlight. It's 1 p.m. and it feels like 7. Someone's always got something to say about the flippy floppies. This is not Mount Everest. This is a very flat walk through a very flat palm desert. Okay, I have really bad bunions and shoes hurt my feet, okay? Let me hike in flip-flops in peace. Thank you. I need to let my girls breathe, okay? Okay, there's a steep part. I lied. Just do the little flip-flop shuffle. That's all we do. See, we made it, no problemo. Both feet are still buniony and fabulous. So this is where I turned around and walked back last time. I don't really remember why. I think it's because there was lots of shrapnel. You couldn't really get through, but this time we're going for it. Shrapnel or no shrapnel. We are doing this. I'm hiking for another 6,500 steps and then I'll turn around. So I didn't realize this loops around, so we're gonna take a different way back to the trading post. And who knows, maybe I'll do the hike twice, but this is cool. It's a lot more like high desert cactus happening, probably more mountain lion territory. You know how it goes. Watch out for the shooting cactuses. That's all I have to say. Good thing I wore sandals. Actually, I'm gonna keep hiking because the trail went farther. There's nobody up here. And typically hikers like that, but I don't. I like being where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, strolling along down the west side again. All right. Rocky Trail, that's it, that's the one. I just want to be able to outrun the people when the mountain lion come, you know what I mean? Okay, so all the people are coming up this way, so we'll brave it. I'm such a wuss, don't tell anybody. Like, I'm very scared, but I think it's a good thing because you want to be aware of your surroundings and make good decisions when you're hiking alone. Like, for instance, if I got hot and passed out, I would want people around to find me, to call authorities and help me get back home. All right, I hiked up here a ways, but it's kind of more high desert terrain, and I want to go back through the palm trees. That's why we're here. When in Palm Springs, you gotta hike the palm trees. Definitely happy there's plenty of Planet Fitnesses around here because girl needs a shower. I'm having like not just swamp ass, but swamp ass's distant cousin, Juicy Vajay. She's a rap artist. It is a needing a shower tonight situation. I've been showering like every other day since I've been on the road and basically just been parking outside of Planet Fitness, sitting in my rig and crocheting. By the way, here's some new colors if you guys are interested. What should we name that one? What should we name it? Let me know in the comments. If you watched this far and you have an opinion, comment. Did you name it Juicy Vajay? If you did, bonus points to you. Just kidding. No, seriously, come up with like an actual cute name. Ah, it's kind of nice to be back in the shade. Made it. Got 12,000 steps. So I'm just gonna go wander around for a little while, explore. All right, back on the pavement. So still have like 7,000 steps, but I have to be out of this park by 5. So we gotta go. Figure out how to get my steps in somehow later. Maybe I'll go to Target and walk around. I don't really like walking around at night, which is 4 p.m. So we might have to take a Target trip. Just make the laps, spend money I don't have. You know how it goes. By the way, do you guys like my glasses? I got these for $4 at this like discount grocery store. I have a hard time with glasses because every time I blink, my eyelashes hit the lens, but these ones actually, they work. And they give me a little cat eye. I'm digging them. I might go buy another pair because I will definitely lose them. Okay, here is the before. Not too shabby. We're okay. If I like really suck it in, we're good. We're groovy, but have gained about 10 pounds. Nothing wrong with that, but I just wanted to see the body composition before and after. This is totally relaxed, total camel toe, not sucking in whatsoever. And then good posture, and then sucking in. Yeehaw. Not that it matters, but it's always fun to see a good transformation. Okay, I'm gonna go get some food. You guys, check this out. So, if I have an emergency pee situation, I'm going to emergency pee in style, okay? I have this little pee box, wet wipes, Vajay wipes, all sorts of different sizes of venti Apprentice Starbucks cups, venti Starbucks cups. And then under here, I have toilet paper. It's a PP box. I like it. Judge me all you want. I am happy with my pea life. So the internet is so mean. It really is. If you date, you're a slut. If you're not dating someone, then you're unwanted and should probably just get cats and start doing witchcraft and shit. You just can't win. You just cannot win. It's usually not men saying these horrid things. It's usually women. So girls. Girls. Same team, honey. Da-na-na-na. No. Shower time. Oh. I'm so excited to find a Planet Fitness and shower. All right, I'm gonna do one lap around Target and see how many steps I get. So excited. So basically, I just need to do 16 laps around Target. I'm not doing that. I'll probably go around a couple times and then just like peruse, walk in and out of the aisles. Okay, I can't walk around Target anymore. I'm gonna keep buying stuff. We're at 18,000 steps. Oh, nothing, just procrastinating, going into the gym, eating my sassy pickle bites. They're literally called sassy bites. And then I'm eating some beef in a bag. I don't know. I just need protein. What can I say? I really like it. It's nice. I am already sore just from walking, so see how this feels tomorrow. I'm gonna eat my sassy pickle bites and then we shower.